We need to get you out of here. It's the night before your wedding and you can't spend the night together.
No, Ma,
You can't. It's bad luck.
we're grown adults. We're fine.
No, actually, you should go. It's tradition.
See, she gets it. I just want to ask, is that genetics or is it like Pilates? Strands in your eyes, they color them wonderful. We got you a gift. It's your something borrowed. Brings you good luck, except for Uncle Greg, who ended up decapitated on that forklift. But that's not the knives' fault.
Oh, someone just left that in the bathroom.
Tell me we belong together.
Look at you.
I think the left boob is slightly lower than the right boob.
Something doesn't feel right.
We're pirates, and they took everybody hostage.
It's normal to feel scared. I'm not gonna let anything happen to your family.
I'm also feeling scared, like the most scared I've ever been in my whole life. It's like I just watched The Ring, you know?
Here's the plan. Trap him in the net.
Spray him in the eyes.
Everyone we love could die.
We're gonna fix this.
Don't you let go! Nobody with my family. Stop shooting your sister!
Carol, thank you for the cake knife.
I freaking love this cake.